where we're all about helping you become the best version of yourself. Are you ready to unlock your true potential and achieve greatness? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll be sharing some incredible tips and strategies that will empower you to become the very best version of you. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the tips, it's important to understand that becoming the best version of yourself is a journey, filled with ups and downs. It's about pushing your limits, embracing self-improvement, and defining success on your own terms. Tip 1. Set clear goals. The first step towards becoming the best version of yourself is to set clear goals. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve creates a roadmap for success. Start by breaking down your long-term goals into smaller, actionable steps. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Tip 2. Embrace your passions. Discovering and embracing your passions is key to unleashing your full potential. Whether it's painting, playing an instrument, writing, or dancing, find what ignites your soul. Pursuing your passions will not only bring you joy but also help you grow and evolve. Tip 3. Adopt a growth mindset. A growth mindset is vital to your personal growth journey. Embrace challenges, view failures as learning opportunities, and never stop learning. Remember, it's not about being perfect, but about progressing and consistently striving for improvement. Tip 4. Surround yourself with positive influences. A strong support system is essential on your path to self-improvement. Surround yourself with positive, like-minded individuals who inspire and uplift you. Seek out mentors, join communities, and engage in meaningful conversations. Together, you can achieve greatness. Tip 5. Practice self-care. Visual. In the hustle and bustle of life, it's easy to neglect yourself. But taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being is crucial. Make time for self-care activities that rejuvenate your mind and body. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Congratulations. You now have the tools and mindset to embark on the incredible journey of becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, self-improvement is a lifelong endeavor, so be patient, stay committed, and never give up. Together, let's create a world where we all thrive and achieve our true potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are on the path of self-improvement. And remember, you have the power to create a life that you're proud of. Stay motivated, keep growing, and never stop striving to become the ultimate version of yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.